with silver spoons, watched cities fall and burn. They fed on gold and silence, while justice failed to turn. Noblemen, 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 noblemen. Desperate, 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 desperate. Desperate eyes in candles glow, looked out on shattered dreams. They clung to fading memories and whispered silent screams. Desperate, 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 desperate. Behind, 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 behind. Behind the walls of power and pride, the truth was locked away. No doors were left to open, no light to guide the way. Behind, 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 behind. Beside, 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 beside. Beside her father's quiet breath, she waited through the night. Her hope a fragile lantern, still holding back the fright. Beside, 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 beside. Disappeared, 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 disappeared. Desperate aired in silence deep, no warning voice or cry. They searched the dark for traces, but never questioned why. Disappeared, 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 disappeared. Desperate, 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 desperate. He disappeared in silence deep, no warning voice or cry. They searched the dark for traces, but never questioned why. Disappeared, 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 disappeared. Afterwards, 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 afterwards. Afterwards, the tale was told in pages worn and gray. The pain survived in whispers long after flesh decayed. Afterwards, 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 afterwards.